Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the tablet. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the tablet. Before you begin, remove the back cover. Removal. Warning: to avoid personal injury and damage to the product, use extreme care not to puncture, twist, or crack the battery. A puncture or rupture of the battery internally can cause a short, with the battery bursting into flames. Disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Important: the battery is held in place by 3 strips of stretch-release tape. Each tape strip contains a plastic pull tab. One at a time, grasp the pull tab on each strip of tape and then carefully and slowly pull straight away, parallel with the tablet, until the entire strip has been removed. Important: if the stretch-release tape strips are pulled too quickly or at an angle, they will break before releasing the battery. Note: the removed stretch-release tape is not reusable. Lift the battery off of the display panel assembly and remove. Replacement. Warning: to avoid personal injury and damage to the product, use extreme care not to puncture, twist, or crack the battery. A puncture or rupture of the battery internally can cause a short, with the battery bursting into flames. Note: the display panel assembly is etched to indicate the proper positioning of the stretch-release tape strips. Remove the backing from the stretch-release tape strips and place them into position on the display panel assembly. Remove the backing from the stretch-release tape strips on the display panel assembly. Align the battery with its compartment on the display panel assembly and lower it into position over the stretch-release tape strips. Carefully apply pressure to the battery to adhere it to the display panel assembly. Connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board.